What is going on YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Crypto Crusaders, where we dominate crypto one coin at a time. Before getting started, I would like to ask, please smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps me make these videos for you guys and find the newest coin. I am not a financial advisor, so please, really please, trade at your own risk and do your own research. So I have a new project for you guys. It's called nftmusic.stream, and you can find them at nftmusic.stream. A new chain of sound, artists, fans, distributors, and labels in one single, beautiful, efficient, and transparent NFT music platform. NFT Music Stream is an innovation in crypto that music lovers want. So if this project is legitimate, this is the first one I know that's tackling the NFT music space. If you don't know what an NFT is, it's a non-fungible token, and essentially you could think of it like digital art. Now, this doesn't just apply to pictures, GIFs, JPEGs, videos, but it also applies to music. So this is quite interesting. We'll see what else they have to offer. It says right here, NFT Music Stream is a fun, exciting, private NFT music platform where content creators can charge for audio and music content and get paid in crypto. It gives investors the freedom to distribute, monetize, and stream audio via our NFT music streaming platform. NFT Music Stream is a smart token based on the Binance Smart Chain. So it's a BEP20 token. You'll most likely buy it through PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So their goal is to redefine music through the distribution of NFTs. Pretty straightforward. They're ready to rock and roll. Now here are some of the tokenomics according to them. Secure contract is deflationary. So there's a tax of 6%, which goes back to the holders. 1% goes back to the pool. So in total there's a 7% tax. They have utility. The LP increases, audited and safe, and low transaction fees. Now here's a chart of the distribution. 50% went to circulating supply, 25% is locked, 10% is in issuance or after development, 10% is in marketing, and 5% in airdrops. So it talks about the process. They have an app. You create accounts, it's safe and secure, and you buy and sell NFTs, pretty straightforward. They have a white paper. We'll check that out later. You can email them at hello@nftmusic.stream. I'll also leave a link in the description link below for this website. Now here they have the team. We have Scott, Helena, Stefania, and Mary. Pretty straightforward. I like how they show their faces. Kind of wish they put a LinkedIn or something, but that's fine. They have a team dedicated to questions, which is good. So this platform is primarily for artists, record labels, and fans. Why should you invest in it? Because it's a new way to engage with your artists, and also this is the first project I know that's tackling the NFT music space. If you know any more, comment down below. Why they should join is because of the tokenization of the music, NFTs, and why you should invest, because this has a potential at the end of the day to be huge. Then here's the roadmap. I like how they checked it off, each checkpoint, and their app, NFT Music Stream. Here you can find them on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, GitHub, and LinkedIn. Now going into the white paper, it's not a traditional white paper where you could click left and right. Zoom out a little bit. It talks about their tech at work. You can read this at your own time. Their vision, opportunity, tokenomics, NFT Music Stream plans a total of 100 quadrillion tokens. Right before we launch, kind of a typo here, we will burn 50 quadrillion tokens. We will then add 45 quadrillion tokens in the liquidity pool and burn the liquidity pool tokens. This way our liquidity is locked forever. The remaining 5% we plan to keep for further development. So each transaction actually triggers a 10% fee, where 5% gets distributed to the holders and 3% goes back to the dev. Additionally, 2% gets burned for life, which is cool. And here's some more. And here's some more information to contact them. Trust and transparency. And that's pretty much it for the white paper. So at the time of this recording, I believe this project has not launched yet in terms of buying the actual tokens, but we'll check out their streaming app. So you can see here they have a bunch of videos, trending artists. Now, I don't know if these artists are actually in partnership with NFT Music Stream, so just be wary. This might be linked to any other website, but pretty straightforward. Personally, I kind of wish they added some more of the tokenomics on the front page, maybe some LinkedIn's for the team members. Also, hopefully they add a contract address in the front, maybe add some audits down the line. But for right now, it's too risky for me to invest in. Obviously, it hasn't launched yet as the time is recording, but we'll see what happens. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you think this is a gem? Do you think it's a scam? And with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.